Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. It is Sunday the 21st of July and my apologies for the late update of the video today. I've got to admit we're out here in Borth in Ceredigion. The day's been gorgeous and I have to admit to being on the beach, and Uncle Leo's outrageously delicious ginger ice cream soda also has a lot to answer for. Yes, I'm afraid that Uncle Leo's here in Borth was frequented today, and it kind of put the recording of the video a little bit behind. So hopefully you will forgive me. If not, you know who to blame. Blame Uncle Leo. But weather, that's what we're here for, and this is the NAO, the North Atlantic Oscillation, for the next 14 days. The forecast, there it is, and you'll notice here that actually it's that blue line there that's running near neutral values right the way through until the beginning of the month, which kind of indicates a normal westerly flow breaking in across the Atlantic. And the Arctic Oscillation, pretty similar as well. You see there hovering around about neutral level. So again, the flow generally turning to more of a normal pattern across the hemisphere. And yes, there's going to be a breakdown during this week, but the question really is how long does it last? And I've got to say that there is some agreement between the charts at the moment that this goes on until the early part of August. This is from the ECMWF and valid for the 31st of July. Notice here we've got the trough at 500 millibars out towards the west. We've got the ridge out here at 500 millibars. So we've got the trough here and we've got the ridge in here. Now compare that to the GFS ensemble for the same time, and it's a very similar sort of pattern. Here's our ridge look, here's our trough look, and here's our ridge. So the ridge is there, the trough's there. So it actually says to us, well, you can have some reasonable confidence that this is the way things are going to go. And you notice here low pressure look off towards the northeast of the country. This cooler northwest to westerly flow bringing fronts through the country, outbreaks of rain and showers at times. So the ECMWF doesn't go beyond the 31st of July, but because we've got agreement between the two, what we can do is look at the GFS ensemble a little bit further ahead and take us up to the 5th of August. And, well, you can see no change. Look, low pressure remains to the north of the country, and we stay with a westerly flow coming in off the Atlantic, and the jet stream by then is through here, so it's just over into the south of the British Isles, hence the reason why our weather is going to go cooler and more unsettled. And I think it really will be a contrast, particularly compared to what we've got used to over the last 3 weeks. And you can see that in the city forecast as well. This is London. Look, you see the temperatures peaking in London, becoming really hot, I think, on Monday afternoon. 33, wouldn't be surprised at 34 in central London on Tuesday afternoon, but then the temperatures look falling off through the course of the week, and that will be a real relief after those temperatures on Monday. Some pretty hefty showers developing as well, look, on Tuesday, then they fade away Wednesday, but they're back again towards the end of the week as the cooler air arrives. A similar pattern as well for Manchester, more in the way of showers here, look, forecast for Monday afternoon and into Tuesday, and again further showers later in the week, but the temperatures are falling off to cooler values. And in fact, by the time we're getting into next weekend, actually it will be feeling significantly cooler, although we're still looking at temperatures getting into the low 20s. Aberdeen, very similar look, and some outbreaks of rain here as well, so everywhere going into this more unsettled pattern. So a quick look at the pressure chart looks like this. High pressure up towards the north, lower pressure is out towards the west. Got a ridge here through the Bay of Biscay. Through Monday we've got this easterly flow affecting most areas, but the most important feature is this trough down here. This is the harbinger of the more unsettled air getting in from the southwest. It'll bring some hefty showers to southwest England, parts of Wales and parts of Ireland as well during Monday. Those tracking their way north, and we stay with this quite brisk easterly breeze. Again, the risk of some low cloud in the east first. But it will be a hot, hot day, particularly across central and southern England. On to Tuesday, and all change. There's our trough move northwards, triggering off some pretty heavy thunderstorms Monday into Tuesday, I think. But then we've got this wheat ridge that builds through, look, so it makes more western areas drier yet cooler. But there will be showers and some rain driving into western parts of Ireland. I think all areas seeing the temperatures falling through the day. On to Wednesday, still got the front up towards the north and the east. Spots of rain for northern Scotland, 1 or 2 showers across western coasts of Scotland and western coasts of Wales, and some heftier showers coming into Western Ireland. But overall, not too bad a day on Wednesday, I think dry for many with sunny spells. On to Thursday, temperatures perhaps picking up a little bit again on Thursday as the flow turns more southerly, but there will be rain and showers moving into the west during the course of the day, many central and eastern areas staying dry. And then it looks like low pressure is going to take control towards the end of the week, a big contrast to this weekend. So that's it for now. Don't forget the site to get free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen. By you coming back, using the site and using the adverts, That's what keeps us free of charge. So thank you for doing that. So for now, thanks for watching. Keep the sun shining and have a great day. Bye for now.